Hello everyone, I'm Miroslav, software team lead in Tachium. In this video, I would like to demonstrate you that we are able to run complex applications like Apache Tomcat. And in the second part, I will show you the debugging capabilities of our platform. So let's start with the Tomcat. Here I have basic information about Apache Tomcat. It is Java server for hosting Java web applications. It is free and open source. It is also platform independent because it's written in Java. Supports many Java technologies like Java servlets, Java server pages, Java extension language, and also Java WebSockets. It is also called server container. It is developed by Apache Software Foundation, and it runs many large-scale mission-critical web applications in many domains, industries, and organizations. In the picture on the right side, you can see that it is the most used application server currently. So let's try to run it. Here I have our Tachi Linux, which is running in QEMU. It is a Yocto, a custom distribution. We can check it. I have downloaded Apache Tomcat tarzip, and on the simple example, which is part of the package, I will show you that we are able to run it on our Tachi platform. So let's do that. Okay, let's try to run it. So you can see that it's started. Okay, let's connect it. This is the main page. Let's try to run some small examples to demonstrate you that they are running. We can try this draw board example. For that we will need two browsers, two clients to connect to the server, and they will exchange data via WebSockets. So it's ready, and now I can draw on one board, and you can see that it is copied to the second one because they are exchanging and synchronization the data between each other. So this is a short example of Apache standalone web server, but we have here also some example about embedded version of this. This is quite useful. It is used in a microservice application quite a lot nowadays. So I will also demonstrate a short example about that. We have here really simple application, but it has inside the Apache web server. So let's also run it. So you see it's starting. It is a simple echoing server, so I can connect to it from the second terminal. And send some message to it, and it should reply me back. Okay, it didn't happen because it's not yet started, but we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, now it should be fine. So you see that we have a reply from the embedded Tomcat web server. Okay, so this is the Tomcat. Let's move to the debugging part. have here simple application on which I will show you the debugging possibilities. So let's first compile the simple example. So it's successful. It's just the simple application which prints some linked list of numbers. So nothing special. Oh, and by the way, I can show you also that we have upgraded to the newest version of GCC. So you can see that we are using 10.2. That's nice. Okay, so now let's debug it. There are more possibilities how to do that. First is locally. We can also try it, but we don't have here X server, neither Windows system, so we are not able to do it via UI interface. So I will show you just the command line one. So here we have a GDB client. We will make a breakpoint to main and run the application, so we can see the source code and use the classical command for debugging, like to go to next instruction, go to the function, make a breakpoint, watch point. So everything is possible here, but it's just the text interface. We can also watch the registers if you want, and do it in this way. For those who prefers graphical UI, we have also possibility. So I will show it now. So the second possibility is remote debugging. So here you can see picture how it works. So there are two parts. There are two machines. One is the host, where you have a cross toolchain installed, and you debug on the remote machine. So for us, the target, the remote machine, is our Tahi Linux, where we will start the GDB server, and we will debug it from this x86 host. So let's try that. So first, let's run here on our target the GDB server on some port. Okay, I need to also put the application, and now it's listening on the host. I will run DDD, which is shortcut for Data Display Debugger. It's a graphical front end for command line debuggers like GDB, but you can use your favorite IDE. You can use whatever you want. It just needs to be able to communicate to GDB client. So for DDD, I need to tell that we are using custom debugger. It's our Tahi port of GDB, and also file which we are debugging. And here we are. So this is the DDD graphical user interface. First, I need to connect to the GDB server. And I am there. I will make a breakpoint to the main. And this is our application, which I can debug via this graphical interface. So I can go to the next instruction, step to the function. Now you are seeing also the assembly. These are our instructions. So we can also step via instructions. What else? Here I can inspect the backtraces, registers, threads, signals. It's a fully capable debugging which we can use. And as I said, you can use your favorite IDE for that. So with this we are able, and you will be also able, to debug our applications, our platform, like every other platform. So thank you for watching. Bye.